Hello, my name is Savannah Richardson and I'm from the Registrar's Office. Today I'm going to be talking to you about DegreeWorks. DegreeWorks is a degree tracking program that keeps tabs on everything that you need to do in order to graduate from the University of North Alabama. This includes both individual requirements for your program and university requirements. It also shows you what courses are being applied to your audit and what you're lacking in order to be able to graduate from the university. You can also see your grades, which is really helpful, and it has useful registration information.
You can locate DegreeWorks in Portal under the Academics tab, so we will begin by logging in. Once you are logged in, click on the Academics tab. The link to your DegreeWorks profile is located under Student Records. When you click on the DegreeWorks link, it automatically loads your specific degree requirements. DegreeWorks naturally populates with the student view. All the information seen pulls directly from the Student Information Database. If it's wrong, your advisor can help you fill out the appropriate form our office needs to make any adjustments. If you're interested in saving or printing your audit, click on the Save as PDF icon. A window will pop up allowing you to do either. The class history link lists all the courses you've taken along with the grades you received in accordance with the semester completed. The student information box includes your specific program information, your advisor's name and a link to their email address, and your institutional GPA, transfer GPA, and overall GPA. Underneath this box is the DegreeWorks legend, which explains all the unique symbols seen throughout your audit. Beneath this are two degree progress bars. The requirements bar tracks each and every aspect of your program as you make your way towards graduation. The minimum credit hours bar tracks your progress towards the 120 overall hours you were required to complete. The degree block includes such information as your catalog year and the amount of credit hours being applied to the 120 hours previously mentioned. It also tracks all the university-specific requirements you must complete, including residency hours, four-year institution hours, junior/senior level coursework, and UNA's 2.0 minimum GPA requirement. Below the degree block is your general education component. It is broken down into what is known as areas 1 through 5. Some programs prefer you take specific coursework in these areas while others do not. If this is the case, the coursework will be listed in areas 1 through 5 accordingly. The major block calculates your major GPA, lists core requirements, indicates any concentration requirements, and lists exit exams as needed. Throughout the audit, any coursework featuring an asterisk requires a prerequisite or co-requisite. Click on the course link to find out what those prerequisites and co-requisites include, as well as to see when the course is next offered. The General Electives table lists courses not directly applied to the audit. The courses most often featured in the Not Applied table include Fs, withdrawals, incomplete grades, or repeated recomputed courses. The In Progress table will list what you are currently enrolled in. Finally, the Notes section is where your advisor will leave you reminders and log your advising sessions. The What If tab, located under Worksheets, allows you to see what would happen if you changed any aspect of your program. Select your changes from the different drop-down menus and then click Process What If. A new audit will populate showing you what those changes will look like. For instance, example student would like to see what happens when they change their program from a Bachelor of Business Administration and Economics to a Bachelor of Science in General Biology with a minor in art. Begin by selecting the program you are considering. In this case, it would be a Bachelor of Science in Biology. Because this program requires the concentration, you must select one of the options listed under the concentration menu. In this case, example student has decided to go with General Biology, so they select General from the concentration menu. Finally, we pick Art from the list of minors under the Minor drop-down menu. Then you have two options. You can either select Create PDF and then Process What If, or just select Process What If. If you choose the first option, a pop-up window will appear with a downloadable/printable version of your what-if scenario. The Look Ahead tab shows you how the courses you are considering taking will affect your audit. For example, this student is considering taking Communications 201, Economics 252, and Biology 101. All you have to do is put in the course subject, that's COM, and then the course number, 201. You select Add Course and it will appear in the Courses You Are Considering box. Now we will put in Economics 252 and Biology 101. When you have added all the courses you are considering, you select Process New. Then a new audit will appear showing how those courses affect your audit. Next is the Plans tab. This is something your advisor can go over with you in more detail as they have the ability to alter or adjust your plan to fit your academic needs. Its function is to help you stay on track using the ideal 4-year schematic for your program. Finally, you have 3 different ways to calculate your GPA. The graduation calculator indicates what is needed between now and when you graduate to achieve a specific GPA. So, example student has 70 hours remaining, which we will type into the credit hours remaining box. Their program requires 120 total hours and they will want their GPA to be a 3.7 when they graduate. The following advice tells the student what they will have to do in order to achieve that GPA in time for graduation. The term calculator allows you to put in what grades you think you are likely to get during that semester. Once you click Calculate, it shows you what these grades will do to your GPA. So, example student projects getting an A in Economics 251 and a D in Theater 210. We can see that these grades will result in a 3.0 GPA after this semester. Last is the advice calculator. All you do here is type in your desired GPA and it will indicate what you must do to achieve that goal. So we type in a 3.7 as our desired GPA, and the system tells us that we need to make an A in 12 credit hours worth of coursework to bring our GPA up to a 3.7. And that's DegreeWorks.
We hope you enjoyed our tutorial on DegreeWorks. If you have any questions, please feel free to email our office at degreeworks@una.edu. You can also follow us on Instagram at UNA Registrar's Office or Twitter at UNAREGOFC. You can also find us on Facebook by searching for the UNA Registrar's Office. Thanks.